What's going on, guys? Today we brought out our lead engineer Garrett and our 2024 Tacoma to go over the SDHQ Built suite of products that are in production or in R&D for the new generation of Tacoma. Now, an SDHQ Built staple is the A-pillar light bracket. Garrett, tell me about our A-pillars on this Tacoma.
For our 2024 Plus Tacoma A-pillar lights, we've gone with 3/16 laser cut steel. They mount off the hood hinges off the hood for easy installation. As well, we've gone ahead and tested rigid as well as Baja Design's light fitment. We've even gone as far as a test to make sure that our out-of-light kit works for both of those brands' lights as well.
Excellent. It looks like we also have a bumper light kit down there in that lower bumper.
So we noticed there's going to be a little bit of some negative space down there in these Tacoma bumpers. We figured it'd be a perfect spot to add some rigid or Baja Designs lights down there. So we've gone and created our Toyota bumper light mount. As you can see, it provides a variety of different lights down there, and you can choose your own combination of fitment between rigid, Baja Designs, yellow, clear lights, stuff like that.
Also in R&D, we've got another SDHQ Built staple behind the grill mount. Stay tuned for that as we keep working on getting that thing dialed in. Let's head towards the back of the truck and see what we've got going on back there. And also in R&D is a set of our SDHQ Built classic rock sliders. Stay tuned for those. All right, now in the back of the vehicle, Garrett, it looks like our billet chase light mount works back there. Tell me about that.
They do fit. You're going to run our billet bed rail adapter to our billet chase light mount. That'll enable you to run any sort of rigid or squadron light on any of the bed rails in the bed of your truck. Excellent.
And while it's not in here now, we do have an SDHQ Built chase rack in R&D for the new Tacoma. Moving a little bit ways down, we've got an ARB compressor mount. Everyone needs that versatility. So Garrett, where did we throw that guy?
So we ended up throwing the compressor mount right here above the spare tire on the passenger side frame rail. That keeps it nice and high and out of the way. And even though it is outside of the vehicle, we've gone ahead and created a filter relocation kit. That'll relocate your intakes right behind your rear tail light, making sure you're not ingesting any dirt or water when you're out there having a good time on the trails.
Beautiful. Now you're talking about protection, keeping things safe. Shock guards. We do have shock guards on those. What do we got?
So we do have our shock guards installed on here. They're going to follow our regular SDHQ theme. They'll be 1/8" stainless, TIG welded, and they'll go ahead and fit across a lot of the new Toyota platforms.
Now we've added a whole bunch of electrical accessories. Let's head back to the front of the vehicle, pop the hood, and see how it's all controlled. All right, here we are under the hood, and it looks like we're utilizing a Switch Pros 9100 to control all these products. Looks like under the hood, we've got a power module mount. Garrett, tell me about it.
Yeah, so we've gone and created a new power module mount for this 2024 Tacoma as well. It'll hold 9100 as well as RCR12 power module mounts, as well as we've added provisions for mounting Garmin and power switches for people who want a different option out there.
Beautiful. Now where's the keypad mounted?
The keypad mount is actually in the overhead console inside the cab. It replaces your sunglass holder for seamless integration into the interior.
Beautiful. And another SDHQ staple, billet battery terminals. Garrett, do we got them?
Yep, these ones bolt on really easily. Nothing special you got to do to make them install.
Excellent. Now while we're back here at the front of the vehicle, we forgot to mention SDHQ Built hidden winch mounts also in R&D. If these products aren't live already, they're just around the corner. Make sure to go to our website, visit the product page, sign up for the newsletter, and get an email as soon as they go live. Like always, we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.